Meaning of General Gordon.
General Gordon.
General Gordon.
General Gordon.
General Gordon. General Gordon typically refers to Charles George Gordon, a British Army officer who served in various military campaigns throughout the 19th century. He is best known for his defense of Khartoum, Sudan against a rebellion in 1885. Despite his heroic efforts, the city fell and Gordon was killed. He became an iconic figure in British popular culture, representing the virtues of bravery, stoicism, and self-sacrifice. His story has been immortalized in literature, film, and other forms of media, inspiring generations with his steadfast commitment to duty and honor.